A car dashcam provides essential evidence during accidents, enhances driving safety, prevents fraud, and supports accurate insurance claims. Today's video is about top 5 best car dashcam that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at IWI Night Vision Channel Dashcam, the N5 Pro 4-channel dashcam delivers impressive 360 degrees protection with true 4K front recording and 1080p coverage on 3 additional channels, ensuring minimal blind spots. The inclusion of 170 degrees ultra-wide lenses enhances road visibility significantly. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity enables fast video transfer via the mobile app, while built-in GPS accurately tracks speed, routes, and location data. Night vision performance is strong, supported by IR lights and automatic low-light switching. G-sensor in parking mode offer reliable security protection 24/7. The included 128GB card adds convenience, and loop recording ensures continuous footage. Super capacitor design improves durability in extreme temperatures. Easy installation and adjustable mounts make setup simple for beginners and professionals alike. Overall, it is a complete reliable dash cam system offering excellent value and security assurance. It is especially useful for long-distance drivers and rideshare users who need continuous surveillance and clear incident evidence. Fast Wi-Fi 6 improves transfers, while strong night vision and GPS tracking enhance safety and reliability on every drive. Now our second product is Botslab 3K 4-channel dashcam. The G980H 4-channel dashcam offers a powerful upgrade over traditional systems with its 3K recording quality and ultra-wide 560 degrees total coverage. With a 170 degrees front lens, dual 120 degrees side cameras, and a 150 degrees rear camera, it captures every angle around the vehicle, ensuring no blind spots and clear evidence in any situation. The side cameras also feature a detachable magnetic design, allowing flexible switching between 4-channel, 3-channel, or dual camera modes. Its 24/7 parking mode provides strong security through time-lapse recording, motion-triggered sentry mode, and collision detection, requires hardwire kit. Night driving is enhanced with f1.8 aperture, WDR technology, and infrared LEDs for sharp low-light footage. The 3.18-inch touchscreen combined with voice control makes operation simple and safer while driving. Built-in GPS records speed, routes, and location with detailed playback via software and app support. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables quick video transfers, and the included 128GB SD card adds convenience. With super capacitor durability and advanced safety features like pre-recording, this dashcam delivers reliable all-weather protection and comprehensive driving security. Our third product is Pelsi Dual Dash Camera for cars. The Pelsi 4K plus 1080p Dual Dash Cam delivers strong road protection with sharp front and rear recording quality. The front camera captures ultra-clear 4K footage at 30 frames per second with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear camera records in 1080p with a 150 degrees view, ensuring reliable evidence from both ends of the vehicle. This combination provides confidence in daily driving, especially during incidents or disputes. Built-in Wi-Fi with the PelsiCam app allows smooth real-time preview, downloading, and sharing of videos directly from a smartphone. Voice control adds extra safety by enabling hands-free operation for recording, locking footage, or taking photos without distraction. Night vision performance is impressive thanks to the f1.5 aperture and 6-layer optical system, capturing clear details like license plates even in low light. The 24-hour parking mode with G-sensor protection enhances vehicle security, while loop recording with the included 64GB card ensures continuous storage management. With a compact 1.5-inch display and easy controls, this dashcam offers a simple yet effective driving safety solution with dependable all-around performance. Now number 4, Vement Wi-Fi Dash Camera for cars. The Vement V31296P dashcam delivers reliable and detailed driving coverage with its high-resolution 2304 by 1296 recording at 30 fps, ensuring clear footage in both day and night conditions. The 170 degrees ultra-wide lens captures a broad road view, helping reduce blind spots and provide solid evidence in case of incidents. Night driving safety is enhanced through its starlight sensor, f1.7 large aperture, and 6-layer glass lens, which work together to deliver sharp and well-balanced footage even in low-light environments. This makes it especially useful for nighttime commuters and long-distance drivers. Built with advanced safety engineering, the V300 removes traditional lithium batteries and uses an RTC circuit for improved heat resistance and stable performance, requiring only a USB-C power supply. Connectivity is smooth with built-in Wi-Fi in the VCar app, allowing easy previewing, downloading, and sharing of recordings directly from a smartphone. With loop recording, support for up to 256 GB storage, TS Stream technology, and 24/7 parking mode, it provides dependable all-around protection. Overall, it is a compact, user-friendly dashcam designed for consistent security and peace of mind on the road. And our last choice is Cool Crazy Dual Dash Camera for cars. This 4K UHD front and rear dashcam delivers excellent all-around driving protection with sharp 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear coverage. The 60 frames per second recording ensures smooth, detailed footage even at high speeds, clearly capturing license plates, road signs, and road conditions in both city traffic and highway driving. Night performance is a major strength, thanks to Starva's Starlight sensor technology and large aperture WDR processing. It effectively reduces glare from headlights and streetlights while enhancing dark area visibility, making it highly reliable in rain, tunnels, and poorly lit roads. For storage and security, loop recording with a 128 GB card ensures continuous recording without manual management, while the built-in G sensor instantly locks important footage during collisions or sudden impacts. The 24-hour parking monitor adds extra protection by recording incidents even when the vehicle is off. Built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and driving routes for accurate incident review, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers and easy sharing via smartphone. With simple installation and user-friendly operation, this dashcam offers dependable safety, strong evidence capture, and convenient everyday use for all drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.